This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Joclyn.
And I'm Nina.
Hey Nina, did you know there are more than 160 experiments currently happening on the ISS?
Wow, that's crazy.
Atomization and combustion has to be your favorite though.
Those are some long words. What is atomization?
Atomization is the separation of something to small particles like this.
Wow, that's so cool. But Joclyn, I know you've been learning a lot about space, but I just don't get it. Is there atomization and combustion, or are they just doing that up there because they can?
Actually, there is atomization in space, and no, they're not just doing the research because they can. They're actually doing it to improve the spray combustion process inside a rocket or jet engine.
Wow, that's so cool. But what does that have to do with combustion?
It's actually spray combustion. And well, I actually found this great informational website that sums it up really well. In liquid-fueled combustion devices, the liquid fuel jet injected into the combustion chamber breaks up into droplets to generate a spray. Although individual droplet combustion may occur, fuel sprays typically evaporate and burn as a group. I think it's basically a more accurate way to burn fuel.
That's cool. How was it discovered?
Actually, I'm not sure.
Oh. Wait. I'm not totally sure I understand combustion.
Think of it like this. If you've ever read Harry Potter, then you probably know Fawkes, the Phoenix.
Mm-hmm.
If you haven't read Harry Potter, you have probably at least heard about phoenixes. Anyways, as you can see, these mythological birds have the ability to burst into flames almost instantaneously. Phoenixes are a great example of spontaneous combustion because of just that. So, to sum it up, combustion basically means instantaneously bursting into flames with no warning or anything like that.
That's cool. I've heard of a term called spontaneous human combustion before.
That's kind of like this, except much scarier. That's a whole nother can of worms for a different conversation.
Wait a second. How does spray combustion connect to atomization?
Spray combustion and atomization is basically breaking down the fuel and then burning it, which, like I said before, is apparently more efficient than just straight up using it.
I think I get it now. I think spray combustion and atomization is my favorite experiment too.
Cool. Later.
Joclyn, can you tell me about spontaneous human combustion now?
No.
Please?
No.
Pretty please with a cherry on top?
I don't think so. Bye-bye.
Oh.